Greek moussaka is a delicious and hearty casserole dish made with layers of eggplant, ground meat, usually lamb or beef, and a creamy béchamel sauce. Here is a recipe to make Greek moussaka. Ingredients: 2 to 3 eggplants, sliced lengthwise 1 pound. Ground lamb or beef 1 onion, chopped 3 garlic cloves, minced 1 can, 14 ounces. Diced tomatoes 1/2 cup, red wine 2 tablespoons, tomato paste 1 teaspoon. Ground cinnamon 1/2 teaspoon. Ground nutmeg 1/4 cup, chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper. To taste olive oil. For frying for the bechamel sauce, 4 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 cups milk, 1/4 teaspoon. Ground nutmeg, 2 eggs, beaten 1/2 cup, grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the eggplant slices in a colander and sprinkle with salt. Let them sit for 30 minutes to draw out the excess moisture. Rinse the eggplant slices with cold water and pat them dry. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the ground meat and cook until browned, breaking it up into small pieces with a wooden spoon. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet and sauté until softened. Add the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, red wine, cinnamon, nutmeg, parsley, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Reduce the heat to medium and let the mixture simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the meat mixture is cooking, fry the eggplant slices in batches in a separate skillet until they are golden brown on both sides. Drain on paper towels. To make the bechamel sauce, melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in the flour until smooth, and then gradually add the milk, whisking constantly. Stir in the nutmeg and continue to cook, stirring frequently, until the mixture has thickened. Remove the saucepan from the heat and whisk in the beaten eggs and grated Parmesan cheese. To assemble the moussaka, place a layer of the fried eggplant slices in the bottom of a baking dish. Spread half of the meat mixture on top of the eggplant. Repeat with another layer of eggplant and the remaining meat mixture. Pour the bechamel sauce over the top of the meat mixture and smooth it out with a spatula. Bake the moussaka for about 45 minutes. Let the moussaka cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade Greek moussaka.